Homework? The jungle.
Know it?
Almost turned me vegan.
This is really twisted, but I'm actually craving a big steak.
Got a porterhouse right here for you, baby.
You're a class act teller.
Give me a kiss.
Here?
Just us carnivores.
It's you.
Shit.
Porn hotline.
Yeah.
Alright, Jackie boy. You better get out here, brother.
Why?
Well, Bobby turned up, told Luan he's handling the books and shit.
He did what? Who told him to do that?
Clay, I guess. And Luan is freaking out.
Jesus Christ. All right.
Chlamydia outbreak.
Sorry. I'll drop you at home.
Take me.
Yeah?
Maybe we can still salvage the day.
Okay.